This video is for students who are at home on Tuesday, March 2nd. And before we start today's lesson, just a quick reminder, I'm still trying to get back all of the independent reading novels from trimester 1. So if you haven't already put yours in the box, see if you can find it and bring it with you to school tomorrow. Looking at today's lesson, just a quick comment, if for some reason you have not already taken the main idea summative test, that is now overdue. That is in yesterday's folder. Please take that as soon as possible. And then today you're going to work on something called the Words of Wisdom poster. It is due today. And then your anchor unit needs to be completely done by midnight on Friday. Today's learning target is a little different. We're going to go back to our year-long theme of the power of words, and we're going to focus on finding the power in somebody else's words and sharing it. On our agenda, again, if you have not already taken Monday's test, please do that first, and then you're going to be working on the Words of Wisdom poster. Again, this is just a reminder, if you did not take the test on Monday, please take the test today. Now this year we had a theme about the power of words, and there's power in the words that you read, whether that's in your novels, your articles, or even just the words written around you that you just see on a daily basis. There's power in the words that you hear every day, what people say to you, near you, what you hear on the TV, the radio. But there's also power in what you yourself write, whether it's for school or text, email, and what you verbally say. All the words that come out of your mouth during the day have power. We're going to focus on the power of the words that you read and hear today. And we're going to take those words and we're going to create something from them so we can share them with others. You're going to create something called a Words of Wisdom poster. And this will be a digital poster. So you'll be doing this on your Chromebook. You will not need pen, paper, or markers. So here are some examples of some Words of Wisdom posters. These posters focus on somebody else's words and what you learned from them. So here you can see on this poster, this is a quotation, which means somebody else's words, words that are not your own. You're going to be focusing on a favorite quotation that you have, and not just any quotation. You might choose to pick your quotation from a poem. You might pick your quotation from a song. You can also use a line from a movie or a line from a TV show. So these are the 4 possibilities for where you can find a favorite quotation. Again, it needs to be either from a poem, song, movie, or TV show. To complete the poster, you'll go into today's folder. Don't forget to do the daily bell ringer. That will get you credit for attendance. And then you'll go into the Words of Wisdom poster to actually create the product. This assignment is going to guide you through all the steps, starting with how you're going to find your quotation, how you're going to find out information about the quotation, and then how to take all that information and turn it into a digital poster. When you're done with your digital poster, you're going to be sharing it in something called a media album. This will be the Words of Wisdom media album. And there are directions in the assignment that will tell you how to not only create the poster, but to share it when you're done. If you have questions about this assignment, you can send Ms. Borkerding a Schoology message or an email. And then I look forward to seeing your Words of Wisdom posters shared in that media album.